Hey everyone, welcome to English Avenue Daily. Today I want to share some beautiful ideas from the book, The Untethered Soul by Michael Singer. First, let's understand the title. Untethered is a powerful word. It means not tied down, not chained, not stuck in one place. Completely free. When something is untethered, it can move freely, stay open, and feel light inside. So an untethered soul means a soul that is no longer held back by fear, negative thoughts, or old emotional pain. A soul that feels truly free from within. This book is all about finding that inner freedom. Freedom from the constant chatter of the mind. Freedom from carrying too many thoughts. And freedom from living in fear and worry. It teaches us how to stay peaceful and open inside, even when life around us feels busy and chaotic. The author asks a very simple yet deep question. There is a voice in your head that talks all day long. But who is actually listening to that voice? Is that voice really you, or is there a deeper, quieter part of you that simply hears it? Take a deep breath with me, relax your shoulders, and let your mind settle down. Let's begin our gentle journey toward an untethered soul. Right now, listen carefully. There is a voice inside your head that never stops talking. It might say, "I need coffee. I'm so tired. Why did I say that yesterday? What will happen tomorrow?" This voice continues from morning till night, whether you're alone or with others. The book starts with this powerful insight. You are not that voice. You are the one who hears the voice. There is a talking voice inside you, and there is also a listener. The listener is the real you. The author calls this the inner observer, the part of you that simply watches and notices. Imagine you're sitting in a room, and a radio is playing loudly. The radio keeps talking, but you are not the radio. You are the person hearing it. Your mind is exactly like that radio. It plays all kinds of thoughts, positive, negative, sometimes even strange ones. But you are not those thoughts. You are the one who hears them. Most people think, "My thoughts are me." But the book says clearly, no. Thoughts are just thoughts. They come and go, like clouds passing across the sky. The clouds appear, they move, and they disappear. But the sky stays open and calm. Your mind is like that vast sky, and thoughts are just passing clouds. When you truly understand this, everything begins to change. You stop fighting your thoughts. Instead, you simply watch them. A thought comes. "I'm nervous." You notice it. You don't argue with it. You don't believe it fully. You just observe and let it pass. This small shift is the first step toward inner freedom. The feeling of being light, open, and no longer trapped inside your own mind. Many of us feel stuck because we live completely inside that noisy voice. We believe every thought. We follow every worry. It feels like living trapped inside a loud radio that never turns off. But you can step back. When you create some distance, you can watch your thoughts, like watching a movie. Even if the movie makes you emotional, deep down you know it's not real life. Thoughts feel very real, but they are just mental images and words. Here's a simple daily practice the book suggests. Just notice your thoughts, without trying to stop them or judge them. A thought appears, you notice it, and you gently let it go. When you do this regularly, something beautiful happens. Your thoughts slowly become quieter and less powerful. The mind is like a child who wants attention. If you react strongly, it gets louder. If you stay calm and just watch, it gradually settles down. The book advises, don't try to force or control your mind. Forcing usually makes it worse. Instead, relax and simply observe. Think of it like sitting beside a river. Leaves and twigs float by on the water. You don't jump in to stop them. You just sit on the bank and watch them drift past. Your thoughts are exactly like those leaves. Let them come, let them go. When you practice this, you start feeling more inner space, more room to breathe inside your own mind. You feel calmer, lighter, and less stressed. You realize you don't have to follow every thought or believe every worry. You become the calm observer behind the noise. And this is just the beginning. Now, let's talk about feelings. Feelings like anger, sadness, fear, or joy are also part of our inner world. When a strong feeling arises, many people try to push it away. But pushing doesn't help. Feelings are like waves in the ocean. A wave rises, grows bigger, and then naturally falls away. If you don't fight it, it passes through you. So when a strong emotion comes, try this. Notice it, name it, and breathe. For example, I feel angry right now. Just observe it, without reacting. Stay as the inner observer. Soon the feeling will change, because nothing inside us stays the same forever. Real freedom comes when we stop fighting our inner world. When we stop struggling with thoughts and emotions, we create more space inside. We begin to see that thoughts and feelings are just visitors. They come and they go. You are the peaceful house that remains. You are not your worries. You are not your passing fears. You are not your temporary emotions. You are the awareness behind them all. Now, here's an important question. If letting go feels so good, why do we hold on so tightly? The book says, we hold on because we want to protect ourselves. Inside each of us, there is an emotional heart. It wants to feel safe, loved, and comfortable. When we experience pain, someone says something hurtful, or we feel rejected, we often close our heart to avoid feeling that pain again. We build walls to protect ourselves. But when we close our heart, we also block the good feelings. It's like shutting a window. You stop the cold wind, but you also stop the fresh air and sunlight. Many people live with a partly closed heart. They avoid difficult conversations, new experiences, or anything that might bring discomfort. They choose safety, but this safety slowly becomes a cage. The author invites us to do something different. Stay open. When something uncomfortable happens, instead of closing down, pause. Breathe. Notice the feeling, and allow it to move through you. Feelings are energy. If you block them, they stay trapped inside as tension. If you let them pass, they naturally fade away. Life is always changing. Some days are happy, some are difficult, some are calm, some are stressful. If we try to control everything, we become exhausted. But when we stay open, life flows through us more easily. My friends, this was our gentle journey through the ideas of the untethered soul. We explored the voice in our head, learned to watch our thoughts, discovered how to stay open, and understood the power of letting energy move freely. Today, try this small practice. Notice just one thought, without judging it. Take one deep breath, and for one moment, choose to stay open. Little by little, you will feel more calm, more space, and more peace inside. Thank you so much for listening to this episode of English Avenue Daily. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. This is Mark, signing off. Bye for now. Take care.